Did you know your kitchen waste could be the secret to crazy plant growth? And guess what? No chemicals, no extra cost, just pure natural magic. Stick around till the end, because the results will absolutely shock you. First trick, the humble banana peel. Instead of tossing it out, simply cut it into small pieces and bury them directly into the soil near your plants. As the peels break down, they release potassium, phosphorus, and calcium right where your plants need it most. It's like a slow-release fertilizer, but completely free and 100% natural. Second trick, a powerhouse you never thought of. Turmeric water. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it into 10 liters of water. Stir well and give this golden drink to your plants at the roots. Turmeric doesn't just boost plant growth. It also fights harmful fungi and bacteria, keeping your garden healthy and thriving. And the third, banana peel liquid fertilizer. Chop up banana peels, place them in a jar filled with water, and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. The water gets packed with nutrients. Pour this liquid gold directly at the base of your plants. You'll start seeing greener leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth without spending a single extra penny. Which trick are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to watch the magic unfold right before your eyes.